Good afternoon, everyone. For this one, we gonna explain and also we gonna tell you guys about a plan of or a project that we're gonna make, which is a wedding cake. And before we're gonna explain further, the partner or the member of our group is myself, Kevin, and this is Jeremiah, and also with my last partner is Fabrian. Okay, so before we gonna going further to the explanation, we want to tell you guys on why we choose the cake option among of those three. So after a further of discussion and also we saw what option that we got, we decided to choose the cake option because we're more familiar to the on how we making, on how the ingredients that has to be done, and how that we should be planning for such a cake that which is very familiar for ours. And also the ingredients that we saw is almost very familiar to us, and also we always saw those ingredients in real life. And I'm gonna continue to explain what type of cake exactly that we're gonna choose to plan. So the type of cake that we're gonna plan for this one is a type of 3-foot tall cake, which is very familiar to such a big party such as wedding and etc. The format is so simple: 4 layers and a little bit of decoration, and also add food coloring that we will be explaining later.
Now we will explain the budgeting for making this wedding cake. When making the wedding cake, budgeting is important because for make the delicious wedding cake, the ingredients that we need is 20 piece egg, 1 kilo sugar, 1 piece substitute powder, 1 chocolate bar, 1 pack, 1 pack blue band butter, 1 kilo cooking oil, 1 sachet concentrated chocolate milk, 1 kilo flour, 1 piece cornstarch, 1 piece baking soda, 1 piece baking powder, 1 bottle food coloring, 1 bottle syrup, 1 kilo white butter. And for the decoration, we need a flour. For decoration is we need 10 piece flour. The total spend of our money is 262,000 rupiah.
Okay, I'm Jeremiah. This time I will explain the plan for making this wedding cake. On the 10th of February, we started making cakes. Then on February 13, we made a budget. On February 15, we collected the ingredients for making the cake. And on February 18, we started to make the cake. Then on February 20th, we tied the cake. We had finished, and finally on February 21st, we immediately sent this cake to the customer.
So that's it for our explanation of the 3-foot tall cake, and hopefully this plan will go easily for us, and also hopefully this one is gonna be successful. And also I hope, or we hope, to see an extraordinary reward from this project. Also, for me personally, is not that easy to make cake, also with 3-foot tall, especially, and also with how we gonna make, and also how will the planning will be going on. I don't know if it will be some of the changes in the plan, and also on how we're gonna do it exactly, but for me it's gonna be a challenging project, and also this one could be one of the best project that we could make for now. And that's it for me, and thank you for you guys that we watching from the beginning until the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoy. God bless you all.